This is Mimi. This is Mimi playing with her keys. She's got keys in her hand. She's got a car somewhere where she gets older, I guess. Yeah, that's her. That's Mimi. She's chewing on the keys. She's just chewing on the keys. Yes, and she's a cutie pie. She's a cutie. Yep, she's banging her stuff. See? She's banging. She likes that. All kinds of stuff. She bangs away. And there goes the thumb in the mouth. Looks like she's getting a little tired. She's just banging her foot on the wall. She's just a cutie. Well, she's watching the race. She's watching Tony Stewart. She likes Tony Stewart, I guess. Yep, that's her.
I see you, Mimi. I see you missing away. Yes, I do.
Hey, little one. Mimi. She's watching TV. You want to slide it this way a little bit? See more? There she goes. That's good. Who's that? That's Jimmy Johnson. No. Yeah, that's Jimmy Johnson. Your race car driver's going to be Jeff Gordon, though, right? Maybe, Daddy. Maybe Dale Jr. We'll see then, huh?